Albrin, and welcome to this video. I'm going to talk to you about the ClickFunnels 10x offer. So if you're not familiar with the 10x secrets, or some people might refer to as the 10x secrets masterclass, basically Russell Brunson did a speech or a presentation recently at Grant Cardone's event. And if you know Grant Cardone, his events are insane. There's quite a few people there. And Russell, essentially what he did was his perfect webinar presentation over 90 minutes. And after that 90 minutes, he sold $3 million of ClickFunnels and ClickFunnels related products, I'm assuming. I don't know what the exact offer was, but I'm sure there was several things involved. But he shows you what he does. I mean, you can see how many people were there. It's crazy. So he teaches you how to deliver this perfect webinar from stage, but it's also how you can deliver it right online if you're doing a webinar, if you're doing a Facebook Live, if you're doing YouTube. So you can get a chance here to go ahead and sign up, take a look, and then you also get the opportunity, which would be paid opportunities, to get the actual full masterclass training. You also get an opportunity to, I know there's some one-time offers in there where you can get his slides from his presentation, and there's also another bonus offer where you can get his closing secrets, so the tactics. So not only are you going to learn what he teaches for the 90 minutes, but then the closing tactics that he uses at the end to get people to pull that trigger and to buy. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. It's not just a master class. You have an opportunity to basically get his entire presentation, his slides, everything. So if you really want to learn this method, you want to learn this technique, then the 10x Master, 10x Secrets, 10x Masterclass is for you. If you haven't seen the speech yet, it's absolutely amazing. I would recommend taking a look. I will put a link below here for you guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Judd. I am an affiliate for ClickFunnels, so if you do end up buying anything, I do appreciate it. Helps me keep my channel going. It keeps the kids fed. But I am a diehard ClickFunnels user. I've been using them for about 3 years, so I'm passionate about this product, guys, passionate about what Russell teaches, and I know that you will see the results as well and see the excitement I have. So thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, share. Have a great day.